scaling globally shouldn't mean creating 12 versions of the same demo. No matter how great your product is, if your prospects can't understand your demo, they're not buying. And translating these things manually, that's a nightmare. But I found a tool that flips the script. It lets you translate your product demo, the full experience, into more than 15 languages with just one click. And stick around till the end because I'll show you how you can implement this today within minutes. Let's get into it. Now look, we're in a global market. You might be running ads in France, getting signups from Brazil, or pitching to teams in Japan, but your product demo, it's still stuck in English. That's a problem because every prospect wants a personalized experience. This sets you apart from everyone else and creates a deeper relationship with those customers. But if your demo isn't in their native language, you've already lost the deal before it starts. And that's not just my opinion. According to CSA research, 76% of global consumers prefer purchasing products with information in their own language. Now, traditionally, you'd have to record separate demos, hire translators, get subtitles right, maybe even deal with video editing timelines that take weeks. But I want to show you something better. To make sure that my demos are able to speak to every type of customer, no matter what language they speak, I use this tool called Supademo. It lets you build interactive product demos in minutes. But one of its wildest features is instant AI-powered translation. I'm not talking about subtitles. I'm talking full text translation of your product walkthroughs. That means your demo title, your chapters, and your hotspot instructions are translated on the spot. Here's how it works. Inside Supademo, go into any demo you've already created. In the editor, head to the Personalize tab on the left side. From there, click Translate with AI. Now, pick the language you want. You've got over 15 to choose from: French, Spanish, Japanese, Portuguese, German, Hindi, even Arabic. Once you pick a language, Supademo asks whether you want to duplicate your current demo or overwrite it with the translation. Choose your path, then hit Translate Demo. Boom, your entire demo is now in a new language. Everything updates: the titles, the chapters, the hotspot text, all of it. You didn't have to re-record anything. You didn't need a translator. You didn't even need to leave the platform. And if you want to take it one step further, you can add an AI voiceover in the same language. Either clone your own voice or choose from Supademo's pre-built options, all within the same editor. Now, what does the customer experience look like? Once you've added your translations, your viewers can choose their language. They just click the little language icon at the top right of the demo and instantly everything switches. So no matter where they're from, your product speaks their language, literally. So if your demo is stuck in one language and you're trying to scale globally, Supademo is a cheat code. It makes your product demo multilingual in minutes. No code, no translators, no extra recordings. You can try it out yourself, no sign up needed. Just hit the first link in the description and see it in action. And hey, if you got value from this, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a tactic that helps you scale. If you want to go deeper into how Supademo helps you close more deals, onboard faster, and scale your funnel, the next video on screen breaks it all down, and I'll see you there.